What do you think, Tom?
It's terrifying.
It's terrifying.
Terrifying. Why?
Welcome to Rock Up Racing.
You never know. We'll see. It's an auction. We've put a bid in. Could end up with an LMP2 car. LMP2 car, mate.
Amazing, isn't it?
Do you know much about it? Have you read about it?
I've read a little bit about it. It's got a sequential gearbox.
Right.
It laps Donny in 101. We do it in the 911 in 117. So it's rapid.
Maybe go for a run.
You saw a video of it as well. It sounds really cool as well.
How many seconds, Tom?
There's 18 seconds left.
Is that really?
We're still winning. There's 10 seconds left.
No, there isn't. There's not.
Charlie, viewers, I think we might have an LMP2 car. Where? There's 5 seconds left.
Rob, you just won it. We got it.
Hello and welcome back to Rock Up Racing. I'm at a very special place today. We've done a thing. How do I explain it? It's probably best to just show you. We've bought an LMP2 car. What have we done?
What the team has acquired is a Jade Nissan, an LMP2 specification single-seater race car. This powerful machine is equipped with a rebuilt 3-liter V6 engine, delivering power to the rear wheels through a 6-speed flat, shifting Hewland sequential transmission. Originally, this car achieved tremendous success with Jade Works drivers in the 2005 International Sports Car Championship, and it has continued to rack up victories in numerous other races since then.
So what do you think about it, Tom? Do you know much about it? Can you tell me?
Yeah, a little bit about it, but
Tell me what you know.
it's just, you look at it and it's sort of incomparable compared to 911, isn't it? Everything's just a lot more adjustable.
Adjustable,
Which
yeah.
is cool.
Yeah.
It's going to all come apart quite nicely, which is good. It's just like a little, you put it together and take it apart. I mean, the 911s are okay, but they do get a bit old.
Yeah.
This is all.
I said earlier, it's nice that stuff's accessible.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. So there's that.
I'm sure you know what most of it, all of it does.
Yeah. I mean, it's not. We did form a student university. A lot of the suspension design, especially with the uprights and stuff, and I did all that, so I know a lot about that. Probably should reread my dissertation about that, but yeah, no, it was all based on a smaller version of this, so that's helpful. But that was a number of years ago, Charlie. So
Yeah.
got to dig that out and read it again. I might be wrong, but yeah, they reckon it makes about 420 horsepower, and it weighs 660 kilos. So I should imagine it's nippy, is the word.
The car boasts an exposed carbon fiber finish and is equipped with a custom molded seat. It rolls on split-rim 13-inch alloy wheels with striking red spokes, wrapped in Avon tires. The specification features a flat-bottom steering wheel with an integrated Motec digital readout and shift lights, variable traction control, and a programmable pit lane speed limiter.
Oh my god.
Jade LMP2 car represents a significant shift for the team, marking a steep learning curve for a crew accustomed to racing primarily track-adapted road cars. This is a pure race car, packed with modern features that the team will need to quickly familiarize themselves with. It's an exciting time and a challenge the team is eager to embrace. Due to the car's low profile, the team needs to use twice the usual number of trailer ramps just to unload it from the trailer.
So low, isn't it? There you go.
One thing the team hasn't tried yet is seeing whether 6'3" Rob can actually fit in the cockpit. It's something they've been quite eager to find out.
This is already the best part of the video.
Comfy.
Are you cozy in there, boy? I feel like I might need to sit a bit lower.
We had pictures of this yesterday.
That's nice, but it's not so bad.
Now that the car is safely back home, the team will begin with the basics. They'll inspect the brakes, lines, hoses, and conduct a general checkover. The plan is to take the car to Snetterton for a full test day, giving it a proper shakedown and really getting to grips with this new machine. With so many new features and methods to learn, this test day is crucial for the team to understand the car and uncover any hidden issues that may have developed since it last raced in 2023. After all, race cars don't like to sit idle for long.
One of the funniest things is, there's my feet.
That doesn't really fit either, does it?
That is crazy.